Now, in a modest workshop in Poland, glass artisans create a luxury Christmas baubles. The festive decorations are building a global reputation and are sold in high-end stores like Harrods in London. Now, let's take a look in the following story.
Glittering Christmas tree baubles, a staple holiday decoration. But these aren't just any festive ornaments. They are luxury, artisan-made glass trinkets, and they're not just for Christmas. These baubles come in a variety of shapes and intricate designs. From dragons to bunny rabbits to teddy bears, the options are endless for shoppers at this Warsaw store.
These are ornaments we hope our customers have in their homes, whether on hangers or in display cases, year-round and not just displayed on the Christmas tree. We like to think of our products as simply home decorations, jewelry for the home.
That philosophy helps explain why their stunning glass baubles attract repeat clients among discerning brands and luxury retailers. Their clients have included Swarovski, the Lafayette Gallery, and Harrods, the iconic London department store. One of their exclusive designs for Harrods, the yellow floral bauble, is priced at $168.
We are artists. Our imagination knows no bounds as we experiment with a variety of materials that other companies will only know how to use after us.
Glitter Lab's workshop has been operating for more than 80 years in Częstochowa. It was founded by Mostowska's grandparents in the aftermath of World War II, making her the third generation in the family to manage the business. The ornaments are all handmade at Glitter Lab's modest workshop, from the blowing of the glass to the decoration. Each piece of glassware is made entirely by hand, in small series ranging from as few as 6 to no more than 300 copies. The same core team, 1 man and 4 women, produce the work.